So, Dr. Perspective said, bring the wall forward. Well, it's forwards as far as it can be. It goes right across the screen from left to right. And make the mountains go further back. Well, I'll make them go as far back as I can at the moment and see if that's enough for him. So, I've done this with different mountains and a different wall, but it's exactly the same idea. So we go back and everything looks exactly the same. Back further, it still looks the same. Further still, and it still looks the same. And again, and again, and again. Now, Dr. Perspective's claim is that eventually the hills will start to go down behind the wall. Let's just magnify this up a little bit, and you can clearly see there's no change at all in the amount of hill that's visible above the wall. Let's go back a little further. Is that far enough back for you? Now, the zoom that's available when I'm on full screen here may not be enough for you to see that there's been no change. So we'll come out of full screen mode and we'll go into this mode. And hopefully you can see that there is no change in the amount of the picture that is visible behind the wall. This is the maximum zoom I think that's available. It doesn't let you go beyond this amount in this particular program. But if it did, I could make the picture smaller and smaller and smaller, but still the same percentage of the picture would be above the wall. There is simply nothing that will make the mountains or the hills disappear behind that wall if the camera or the visible position remains at eye level. Obviously, if the camera goes down below eye level, below the height of the wall here, then more of the picture will be obscured from view. Now, this is a 2D representation, and I'm somewhat worried that Dr. Perspective will now want to see the same thing repeated, but in 3D, with an actual physical picture being moved further away from some kind of barrier. We'll see.